All right. Again, I have no idea what time it is or what day it is. All I'm doing is I'm waiting for this whole thing to pass so I can get back to semi-normal life. But I'm bored. I'm bored. See, I'm waiting. I lived in Pinehurst for 9 years. Shout out to Pinehurst, US Open. So I'm sitting here killing time, cleaning my balls, right? There's one, I'm killing another ball, cleaning it. The other thing I'm trying to do is here, kill time. This is what I'm trying to do, kill time. I don't know about you, I love pistachios. So I sit here and I'm cracking freaking nuts. That's all I'm doing. Filling up my little jar. Oops, right there. Filling it up. So I have a stash of already shelled pistachios. But I'll tell you what, nothing gets me a little bit angry than having a shell that's not cracked. It just bothers me. What do you do with these? So anyways, what I'm doing is I'm killing time. But that reminds me, anybody know what the average utilization of our maintenance technicians are? The average utilization of our maintenance technicians is between 17 and 22%. Pretty hard to believe, isn't it? 17 to 22%. So what's that translate into? How many extra technicians are we employing to function at a 17 to 22% utilization? I'm going to put the blame on two groups, okay? Two groups to allow that to happen. One is my supervisors, because we're not supervising our group to make sure that they are fully loaded to do a good day's worth of work. The other group that I'm going to put a blame on is my maintenance planner or schedulers, because they're not allowing enough work to keep these individuals busy. Now, has anybody ever experienced, because I can tell you again from personal experience, have you ever felt like days you just don't want to work? You just don't want to work. You come in, and as long as you look busy, your supervisor thinks you are busy. So, I tried looking busy all day long, just doing stuff to look busy. And I'll tell you what, those are the longest days of my life, because this is what I did all day long. Dang. Those 8-hour days, 9-hour days, those turned out to be 25-hour freaking days, because they just dragged on all day long. A good day for me was when I came into work and there was enough work to keep me entertained or busy for the rest of my hours. Because all of a sudden I come in, all of a sudden the next time I looked at my watch, man, it's time to go home. It's time to go home and self-medicate. That was a good day. You felt good, you accomplished a lot, you got home, and you rewarded yourself. That was a good day. So, today's lesson is technicians' utilization. If we're functioning at 17 to 22%, we are totally inefficient, and that's costing the organization money. What I want to do is, on the scheduling side, I want to put enough work in the system to keep my staff busy all day long. Supervisors, get out of your office. Get out of the meetings. Supervise your staff to make sure that they are executing the work safely and they're doing it well at a high level of quality assurance, quality control. All right? Stay safe, stay healthy.